Are you afraid of speaking in public? Do you want to be a confident speaker? Can you do something for that? Then why worry? You are at the right platform. So without further delay, let's explore. For motivation, spoken English and visual arts, don't forget to subscribe. The first and the most important thing is to overcome our shyness. Shyness always keeps us confined. We wanna say a lot of, but only because of shyness we don't say. We have our own excuses, and shyness is one of them. If we wanna speak in public, first of all we have to keep our shyness at bay. We need to learn the art to opine our views in front of public, because only by doing that we will have a fixed and prestigious place for us in public. Therefore, overcome your shyness to be a confident speaker. Then the second most important thing is to practice the work we are weak at. Often we do mistake of staying in our comfort zone. We do the activities that we find easy of doing. But remember, if we wanna make our arms strong, then we have to do exercise of arm, not of leg. If public speaking bothers you, do it often. Make it a habit, accept the challenges, and day by day you will find that you are growing rapidly and the public speaking phobia is no more a phobia for you. The third most important thing is stay positive and try to find out solutions. Positive attitude can make impossible possible. The optimist always search solutions to problems, not problems in solutions. The day we start to think positively, we are half done. Then we have to add some positivity in us every day and we can overcome all the small problems and hindrances day by day. Then the fourth most important thing, understand the cause of fear. We have a tendency to beat about the bush. We don't try to find the root cause. Instead, we become happy in achieving small goals. But remember, happiness in small goals is a hindrance to achieve a great one. If we want to turn on a bulb, we have to search the switch, not the bulb itself. Likewise, for public speaking, we have to find the cause that takes us from telling in front of public. It may be our lack of confidence, our accent problem, our lack of experience, etc. Then work on it. Then the next point, take deep breath. Even the most experienced persons take deep breath and sip water before coming to stage. A deep breath gives good oxygen supply and helps to relax our anxiety. So before appearing, take a deep breath, have confidence, and then go to the stage and just explore it. The sixth one for you is to take experts' help. Never hesitate to take help of ace. Don't try to learn everything from your own mistakes. Have a habit to learn from others' mistakes. Consulting an expert will add multiple advantages because this gives us practical knowledge and ultimately adds to our confidence. We have a sort of confidence that if they have done and they have got success in this, so I may have got success in that field. So that kind of attitude helps us a lot to deal with that kind of problems. And last tip of today. This principle is based on the saying, practice makes the person perfect. If we do regular mock tests and practices, it will definitely help us to overcome our shortcomings. By doing this, we develop a habit of doing. Our subconscious mind also triggers up and our action becomes spontaneous. Hence, doing regular rehearsals and activities will add more to our repertoire and definitely we will perform best. For such tips and techniques, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.